To review students' progress, you're going to first go and select the module that you want to review. And once you've selected it, you can then go to the Progress menu and choose Review Module Progress. When you choose Review Module Progress, it will load how the students did in the module online. You can go ahead and hide the course contents over here to make it larger. What you see here is you see a preview of where you are in the lecture, and then you see a timeline here of all the things that happened in the lecture. So you can go ahead and you can scroll through the entire course and see everything that happened in the lecture. First thing you see is how many of the students completed on time, and then as you scroll down, you can see what they did in the course. So here, for example, is a quiz, and you can see on this quiz that 38 students got it correct. If you click on the quiz, the video will go to right in the point where that quiz was, and you can type the space bar in order to make the quiz larger to see right where it was. Now this is a quiz where everyone got it right pretty much, so I'm not going to mark this to review in class because most people got it right. There's not much point in reviewing it. Now right after that there was a student question. Again, I can click on it and hit the space bar to see right where the student asked the question, and to reply to the student question I can just click the reply button and type in a reply. When I click post reply and send the message, the student will get an email saying that their question's been answered with the answer, and other students are online. If it's a public question, and you can see here this is a public post, they'll be able to see the answer also. So before class, you're going to need to go through and review how students did in your class. And if you see a quiz question like this one, where 26 students got it right, but a whole bunch got it wrong, you're going to want to take a look at that quiz question, see where it was in the lecture. Again, you can hit the space bar to make it larger. Make sure you understand how you're going to explain this in class, and then go ahead and mark it as show in class. When you mark it as show in class, that means you want to review it in the classroom. And you'll see that we have a time estimate of how much time you're going to spend reviewing over here. Make sure you don't spend too much time reviewing so you can concentrate on doing active learning in the classroom. And you can go through the whole lecture and you can look at how students did and what sort of questions they asked. So here's a question from a student that I want to show in the classroom. So I'll go ahead and click on Show in Class. And now this student will be shown in the classroom when I do the review. When I get into the classroom, I'm going to go ahead and start up Scalable Learning and click on In Class. When I click on In Class, it will show me an overview of the items I've selected for the in-class review, about how long it's going to take, and when I'm ready to go, I just click Display for in-class review. When you click for Display for in-class review, it's going to go into full screen mode so you can project it on the screen, and it's going to start off with the first quiz question, how students did on it, and now you can present this to the class and you can explain what was going on. When you click Next, it will go on to the next thing you selected. So here we selected a student question. It shows the student question and it shows exactly where the student asked the question so you can quickly answer it in the classroom. When you're done, go ahead and click Exit.